In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Dropbox plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen means, and how to finalize your purchase with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to Dropbox.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. This ensures you're upgrading the correct account and that your files and settings carry over without any interruptions. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your avatar. This might be your profile picture or simply your initials in a small circle. Click that to open your account menu. From the drop-down, choose Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings area where you can see your current plan, storage usage, and options to make changes. On the account page, locate and click Upgrade. You'll be taken to a plan selection screen. Here you'll see options like Plus, Professional, or Family. Take a moment to compare them. Plus is typically great for individuals who need more storage and basic sharing tools. Professional is designed for power users who want advanced features like increased sharing controls and additional productivity tools. Family is ideal if you want one plan that covers multiple people in a household, usually with a shared storage pool. You may also see choices for monthly or annual billing. Annual plans often provide a lower cost per month, while monthly gives flexibility. Select the plan that best fits your needs by clicking it. You'll then be prompted to enter your payment details. Carefully fill in the required fields, making sure your billing address matches your payment method, and double check the summary for the correct plan and billing frequency. If taxes apply in your region, you'll see them reflected here. Review the total, then click Purchase to complete the upgrade. After you submit, Dropbox will process your payment and update your account. Upgrades typically take effect immediately, so you should see your new plan reflected right away in your account settings. You'll likely receive a confirmation email with your receipt and plan details, which is helpful for your records. If you ever need to manage your subscription, you can revisit the same Manage Account area to view billing, change plans later, or update payment methods. That's it. Simple and straightforward. You've navigated to Dropbox, signed in, opened your account settings, chosen upgrade, selected the right plan, and completed your purchase with the payment form. Thanks for watching.